Riding the metro, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, ride the metro. This video is perfect for English language learners who want to understand everyday English phrases. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how to use it. Ride the metro simply means to travel by metro, a type of public transportation. The metro, also known as a subway or underground train, is a popular way to travel in many cities. We'll look at some examples of how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. This phrase is commonly used when discussing travel plans or giving directions. For instance, you might hear someone say, "I ride the metro to work every day," or, "The easiest way to get there is to ride the metro." There are other ways to express the same idea, such as, "take the metro," or, "use the metro." These phrases are interchangeable and all mean using the metro as a mode of transportation. In different English-speaking regions, the metro might have different names like subway in New York or tube in London. Despite these variations, the concept of riding the metro remains the same. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, ride the metro, and feel more confident in using it. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these small phrases and their usage. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.